Let's make a blue cheese dressing that's a little healthier than your regular one. I have 4 tablespoons of blue cheese in here, and I have a 1/4 cup of mayo. I'm going to add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar onto the cheese. I'm just going to mash the cheese, to mash it with that vinegar. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, salt, not too much salt because the cheese is salty, pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm gonna add another 2 tablespoons of blue cheese to this and just mix it in. Oh, yummy. Keep this in a closed container in the fridge for about a week. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.